Hey you guys, what's up YouTube? Little munchers, big munchers. So I'm not going to be in front of you very long, but I'm getting ready to eat some pizza fries that my daughter made me. And so I just wanted to share them with you. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm about to try them. She just finished making them not too long ago, so they're still kind of hot. You see that? And I gotta love that. And I'm waiting for my other daughter to bring me some tea. Mmm. 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 Good job. Look at that.
Yeah, I did a good job, didn't I?
Yes, so there's pepperoni, all kinds of cheese, including mozzarella. And she worked on them for me, and I'm like, oh, yay. Oh. They're good. And now I have me some iced tea that my other daughter made. So they're hooking me up right now. They're hooking me up. So, like I said, I'm not going to be before you long. I just wanted to come share it with you. And I know I already took a bite, but, here you go. You can get into that with me. Or maybe you can get on the other side. You don't have to eat my fork. I can get you another fork and you can climb in on the other side with me. So, I hope everybody's doing good today. I had pretty much a nice, slow, lazy day. So I don't have a whole lot to say. But I just wanted to enjoy these fries with you. So you guys, I do have a question though. What do you think are the best ways? Because I'm new. To the YouTube community, sort of. And when I say sort of, I mean, it's not like I don't watch YouTube or we haven't uploaded things before. But I'm new to the whole, mukbang or mukbang or mukbang community. So what do you think are the best ways to go about this? I'm curious. And so if you guys can tell me that, I would be very open to, suggestions and comments about your journey so far. And if you're new, how has things been working out for you? Have you been enjoying yourself? What are your best ways of growing your channel? Or do you just go with the flow and just sit and watch it grow? Or do you do strategies? Do you have strategies? Do you have ideas? Do you pre-plan what you're going to do? Do you have certain days that you choose to post and not post? I'm curious. You guys, I'm sorry if you can hear things happening, like my air conditioner, things like that. There's been times where I've recorded and I've turned off the AC unit just so that it didn't sound terrible. And your girl was hot. I'm not doing that right now. I was so hot. Y'all can hear me scraping the big one thing. So these are seasoned fries and pepperoni and marinara. You did that, Jalea. You put your foot in that, girl. Not literally.
Put my foot in it. Here. Let me get my foot.
It's so good.
I'm the master at making fries.
What are you guys having today?
Us?
Well, no.
Oh.
Talking to my munchers and
Munchy.
YouTube. Yeah. I know what you're having today. They're doing a whole separate pan for themselves. And this was for mommy. So, I've seen some videos where you guys were like really getting it in today. Well, every day. Let's be real. Let's be real. But the stuff be looking good. I be seeing people make these homemade dishes. Oh my gosh. Homemade dishes that be looking so good. The fried chicken. My family is trying to get me to do homemade dishes. Let me know what you guys think of that. They want me to get on and make some some real home cooked stuff. And I just don't know. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I don't know, you guys. I don't know where I left off. But my honey called me a second ago. And I had to take that call, child. I had to take that call. You ever been with someone for so long and it still don't matter that even when they call you, you feel like, yes, let me get to this phone, honey. Unless they got on your nerves and then you're like, nah, let it go to voicemail a few times. But, or when they actually come into the room and you still get that feeling of, ooh, he's home, or ooh, he's here. Child. I think when that still happens, it's a good thing. I think that's a real positive thing. Because, when you've been together for so long, for some people, things start to get a little stale. And you're going to have those moments. You're not always going to be each other's cup of tea all day long, every day, in each other's face, 24/7. And sometimes that makes things great again. I'm telling you. Yeah. When you take little breaks and things like that, and you go, oh, you know, when you haven't seen him all day long, and he out doing his own thing, and you out doing your own thing, it's a wonderful thing when y'all come together at the end of the day or the end of the week. Depending on what your situation is, I don't know what you got on. This thing looks beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it in its fullness. And it's so heavy. Like, it's heavy. Like, I'm already so all over this side over here, you guys, that there's no way in the world me right now will probably get through this. I won't. I assure you. And probably by the time I finish recording, I'll pick at it some more. I'll probably pick at it some more. I'm telling you, because they're going to have their own, and then they made this for me just so I can come and share it with y'all, and that's what's up. But baby, to get through this whole pan, that would be a challenge. If you don't like burping and smacking noises and things like this, I apologize in advance. This particular show wouldn't be for you. Look at that. The pepperoni is so banging. I just don't know what to tell y'all. Y'all should see how much I have done on this side. I don't know if I can get it over there. I'm crushing on the other side of this. No bull. Are y'all over the Popeye frenzy yet? I read somewhere that they're getting ready to take it off the menu temporarily. I wonder how much truth there is to that. Like I do, I wonder how much truth there is in that. I think it was so chaotic. My son thinks it was some type of foolery behind it, but I'm not so sure. I think it's just another one of those trending things, a fad, so to speak, or something. And it's gonna pass, just like patty pies when everybody was going crazy for the Patti LaBelle sweet potato pies. And it's a good sandwich, don't get me wrong. It's definitely a good sandwich. I wouldn't say it was like earth shattering. Okay, let's calm down. Let's calm down. Get a grip. Get a grip. It's good. It's good. It's a good chicken sandwich. I seen this one video earlier. The lady had me dying laughing. She was like, y'all lied to me. She was like, it's not that good. But hopefully everybody is like, over it. Hopefully they're over it. Well, this was a quick video, like I said. And let me know, like I said, what is your strategy? I mean, you don't have to give me your secrets. I know people have secrets, but I'm just trying to figure out, if you're new to YouTube, how have you been enjoying it? What do you think your challenges are? Like, what's the tea? And if you've been here a long time and you have some advice to offer up, like, hey, because what I found is, like I've said it in previous videos, it's harder than it looks. And people who like who downplay that is, you just don't have no idea. For a lot of people who are out there and they've been doing it for so long, I imagine that there are certainly days they don't feel like it. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't feel like uploading. And that's not just with, mukbangs. I'm talking about YouTube in general. Like, just like with a job. If you've been doing this and this is your livelihood, you probably go through so much, to keep it popping. So therefore, I like hearing and talking to other people about it. And I would like some of that feedback from you guys. You know what I mean? And now that it took almost half this pan out, I still got a great deal of it, y'all. You're welcome to come over. People might be like, what is she talking about? We can come over. Even my husband will be like, girl, are you crazy? So, just kidding. But I'll talk to you guys soon. I was keeping it cute, keeping it brief. I'm going to push this over to you a little bit so you can grab a little bit. All right. Bye, you guys.